Hey folks, this is Chris with Fast Rack Overland, and guess what? We're in the woods again. That's right, we're out here in the Ozark National Forest, and I ran into some folks, and I hadn't seen them in a while. Let's see who it is. Well, whoa, wait a minute. Hey, it's just Kelly.
Just me.
She's back there. Cody done ran off. He's like, I ain't, no.
I'm here.
Nothing to do with this cat.
I'm here.
So.
Hey, I like your cat.
Yeah. Speaking of cat, yeah, Shop Cat's here too. But they got this little beautiful spot here in Ozark National Forest. It's going to be a great weekend. The temperature is awesome. The weather is, I actually kind of like the weather when it's like this because it makes it good for filming, because when the sun's out, you got shadows everywhere. Whew, it's a pain. So this is actually working out pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to get off here and make some breakfast. I already made coffee, and I'm going to visit with my friends here. So we'll catch you later. So yeah, folks, the deal is I spent so much time making coffee, I'm really not going to have time to make food since they're already done over here. So I'm gonna be mooching some of this goodness. Look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Them biscuits, look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? Yes, it does.
From scratch?
From scratch, from this lady right here.
I had nothing to do with
What's up? What's up, Cody?
Hi.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, you see my pores?
You got clear skin, bro.
I do? Oh.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, man.
You see my gray hair coming
You
out?
got gray hairs?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, you sure do?
Yeah.
Golly, next thing you know, your beard's gonna look like mine.
Oh, it's gonna look awesome. I'm gonna be a wizard, man.
Anyway, folks, I'm gonna get off here and eat some food with them instead of cooking my own food, like I said earlier. So, yeah. Well, I'm old. Yeah, you know the biscuit. Well, all right, so now we got everything picked up. That's what we're gonna do. Do you understand that? Because I didn't. Okay, here we go. All right, folks, we got camp all packed up and we're ready to do some exploring. And I can't wait because Cody says there's some really cool stuff over here. And what do I always say? Rocks and water. These are the things that we seek. And that's right, we're gonna go seek them right now. And I think there might even be a waterfall involved, so I'm super stoked about that. So join us in our adventure. Let's go. What are you waiting on? Let's go, let's do it. let me tell you, this hike was definitely worth it. This waterfall is beautiful. And there's not a trail to this waterfall, so you have to like just bushwhack it and you just gotta make it happen. But to me, that's the best waterfalls, the best trails, the best time is things like this. I mean, look at that thing. Oh, it's over there. Sorry. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, this fat guy is ready to get back and have a beer because I've earned it today for sure. I don't know. All the thing I know is that this is beautiful. Rocks and waters are the things we seek, and this is it. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. And I gotta go all the way back. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little hike. Kelly's laughing at me. I can see her. Cody's filming, that's what he always does. And I'm dreaming of beers. Oh yeah, we got a keg in the creek cooling off. That's right. Willie, thank you. Thank you. Willie, we appreciate the keg because I'm real thirsty right now. Yeah, that's right. I'm just rolling with it, folks. I am just rolling with it. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Look here. Let's see if we can get, yeah. Oh, there, yep. Mrs. laughed a lot over there. That's her. All right, let's go. Get out of here. Well, we made it back from the hike and it was spectacular. That waterfall was amazing. And the cool thing is there's not a trail to it. So you're not just gonna find it. I mean, Cody had to explore and he found that waterfall. And it is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad he was able to take me down there. It was amazing. But anyway, we made it back to the camp. I'm tired. You could probably tell my voice. I'm wore out. And I'm gonna have a beer and chill with my friends. So yeah, we'll catch you probably at supper time.
Hey, Chris?
Uh-oh, Cody's hollering at me. Yeah, man.
Did you get me falling? I just slipped and fell while you're talking to yourself.
I think my big giant head was actually blocking you, man. Yeah.
I just slipped and fell.
I'm gonna go join my friends with a beer. We'll catch you later.
Hey, Chris,
I was about to start telling you what I was gonna cook, but I guess Cody's got something to say here.
Can I borrow your D-Walt fan?
Yeah.
I want Kelly to try it out.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Oh, it's up in my tent. So anyway, what I'm about to do, folks, is I said folks. I can't help it. You guys are my folks. Anyway. So it's about that time. It is time to make supper. And I'm making smash burgers tonight. And I've been wanting these burgers for, I don't know, a month now. And haven't been able to make them. So tonight is the night. And I can't wait because last time I made them was with the wife when we did the cooking vlog. That was a great vlog, by the way. But now is my time to shine. So I'm going to see if I can make them without messing them up. So let's get to cooking. See what we can do.
got some broccolini, cod,
Oh, look at that cod, man.
and
Mashed potatoes. Man, I'm just having hamburgers.
oh wait, he's making.
Oh, look at that.
It's gonna have capers.
Man.
Give me the capers.
Man.
Give me the capers.
Kelly, what are you doing over here? Killing it.
Wait, what are you chopping up now, dog?
All right, my burgers are burning. I gotta go, guys.
All right. Back because we didn't have enough for Chris.
We have plenty of potatoes.
Yeah, we had plenty of potatoes, but Chris made himself a smash burger. Like the restaurant, it's better, right?
Absolutely.
So we're going to enjoy this for the night. We're going to sit around the old campfire and spend some time with our good friend. And play a little bit more catch up, and we'll see y'all in the morning.
In the morning.
That means he'll see y'all in the morning too. Yeah.
Wasn't something you said, you were so carefree. With all that's on my mind, used to find a way to get to me. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. I had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. Got me staring at you. I was lost in the daze, waiting at the crosswalk, nothing to say. Asked if I was okay. I started to smile, couldn't help myself. Said it's been a while since I felt this kind of peace inside. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. Had a lot of dark nights.
Yourself. That looks really nice there.
I'm learning how to cook a little bit.
Yeah, that's still good. Anything with brown sugar,
Yeah.
powdered sugar, maple syrup in the glaze, like.
This trip has just been awesome. Yesterday's hike to the waterfall was amazing. It was a long hike and it was bushwhacking. And yeah, it was. I'm a little sore from it, but you know, if you don't push yourself, you're never going to grow. If you don't push yourself, you're never going to find spots like that. And you know, I think that's what it's about. You come out here to nature to relax and get away. And you know, I was like a little kid yesterday when we came across all that stuff. It was beautiful. It was really neat. God's country, you know. Yeah, so if you go camping, go explore. You know, I preach it over and over in all my videos, you know. Don't just sit at camp. Get out. Go look. Even if you just walk down the creek that you're camped next to, if there's no creek, just go walking around. See what you can find. This has been an awesome trip. It's been really good. This is a trip that I've been needing for a while. It's taught me a lot. I've really enjoyed it. But anyway, Cody and Kelly, they're packing up, getting ready to leave. They're going to leave when I leave. And I'm almost packed up. I got the awning, my chair's out. I'm just going to sit here by the river and chill for a little while and soak it in. That's part of camping, is enjoying this. So I'm definitely going to do it. We've already had breakfast. So yeah, I think we're about ready. Well, anyway, folks, I really appreciate you watching, and I'm going to need you to do all those crazy YouTube things, though, and I'm going to need you to subscribe and like it, share it, and, you know, just help the channel grow, you know. If you feel like you want to help, we have a Patreon. You can help us out that way. We also have merchandise at longcreekoverland.com, and you know, sometimes I like to help you. I'm a Rock Squatch ambassador, and you get a 15% off. Use code FASTRACK, and those guys have some really cool stuff, and they are some really cool guys. So go check out their website and go spend a bunch of money. They sure would appreciate it.
You look too cool.
Look,
glasses, beard, and hat.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm still looking at myself over there.
Yeah.
I gotta quit. I gotta look at this. Okay, go.
The other thing is, if you're too far behind me, it's going to focus on me and not you guys. See that?
Oh, okay, so is this better?
Yeah.
Hey,
see if we
I
can all
can't
squeeze-
hardly see the screen. I can see me a little bit. Hi. Okay, what's up?
Let's see if we can squeeze us all in here. It's so hard to see that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're all in here.
Okay.
Well, hey, it's been a absolutely fantastic weekend, and camping with my buddies Cody and Kelly with Dumb Life, and you need to go check their channel out. They do some awesome stuff. I'm like this, they're like whoo. So yeah, definitely go check them out. And like I said, it's been a beautiful weekend, and I really appreciate you watching, folks. And until next time, we'll catch you later.
Bye.